Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to give you all some tips and tricks on how to write an assisted living business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some tips and tricks on how to write an assisted living business plan. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the assisted living business plan and some tips and tricks on how to write one. All right, so the first tip is for your cover page. When you're writing your cover page, a lot of clients, what I like when I see is they really overdo it and there's a lot of information going on the cover page. For me, the way that I have found this works real well is to keep your cover page neat, clean, and simple. So the way that I structure my title page is going to be at the top, I'm going to put whatever the company name is, I'll put it right here. Underneath, I'll put the company logo. And then the final part of the title page is going to be just to tell them that this is a business plan. I mean, you've got a lot of different plans. You got your strategic plan, you've got your marketing plan, you've got, just a plethora of different types of plans, operation plans. And so you just want to let the reader know exactly what document they're looking at, thus the need for a business plan right at the bottom. And the second tip is going to be the executive summary. When you write your executive summary, you're trying to cover a lot of information in just a little bit of real estate. And so what you want to do is you want to kind of tell a story and you want to keep it in a systematic form. So the way that I like to go ahead and present my executive summary is first I'm going to introduce the company. I'm going to give them a brief overview of what the company is going to do, where it's going to be, what is where they're located, and the services that they're going to be providing. And I'm going to do that in the company assisted living summary segment. The next segment is going to be your target market. Well, you want to let the reader know who is going to be your audience. Who are you providing these services to? And then once you convey, what you're going to do and how you're going to do it and where you're going to do it and who you're going to be targeting, then you want to let the reader know how much money you're going to be making the first year, as well as what your expenses are going to be and your profits are going to be for the first year. So you want to give them some financial highlights. And then finally, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and tell the reader how much money you need in order to bring your dream or to bring your vision or your story to life. How much funding do you need? And that's where your funding request is going to come in, is you're going to explicitly state how much money you need, the terms that you expect, and so on. So once you do that, you're able to, if you follow the structure, you're able to convey the highlights of your business plan in a very succinct manner. Finally, the tip number 3 is going to be your SWOT analysis. A lot of people do their SWOT analysis wrong. So for the SWOT analysis, and so what a SWOT analysis is going to be is just an overview of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of your business. So your strengths and weaknesses are going to be the top, and then your opportunities and your threats are going to be the bottom. Now, what a lot of people don't know is for the way this is broken up is your strengths and weaknesses should focus on the internal aspect of your organization or things that you can control within your company. The opportunities and threats, these items should focus on external events that you have very little, if any, control over. So, for example, a strength is going to be a documented strategic plans. So that is a strength. You can have documented plans. You can do that, and once you're done with your business plan, you will actually have a documented plan, which will put you head and shoulders above all your competitors. 90% of businesses actually don't even have a written business plan. So that's something you can control, and that's within your organization. A weakness is going to be a startup assisted. It's a startup company. There's not you can do about that, and that is your business. It's a startup. Opportunities is going to be your community involvement. I mean, you can take steps to try to get the community to be involved, but there's, again, you can't force the community to be involved. So that is an opportunity. And then a threat is going to be your local competitors. Well, you really not much you can do against your local competitors. Thus, that's why it's your external environment, and it's also a threat. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.